morning. My name's Chris Allen. I'm Vice President of Business Development for Tel-Instrument Electronics. You might know it as TIC. I'm here today to introduce a new product called a TR36. It's a replacement for our legacy product called a T36. And I have to tell you, business partners are essential in today's environment. We have reps and distributors all over the world. Our U.S. domestic distributor is Aero Express. Jeannie was recognized earlier as AEA Member of the Year, so congratulations, Jeannie. But I have to tell you, last week I was in Shanghai, China, and I was visiting Shanghai Aircraft Company, and I thought, well, I'm going to show them this video, but the internet in China is not the internet that you and I know here in the States, so the link doesn't work, and guess what? There is no Google in China, so I have about 12 Chinese-speaking engineers looking at me, not understanding much of what I'm saying, and I am understanding none of what they're saying. And I was able to take advantage of our relationship with Aero Express. I got on aeroexpress.com, and I was able to play this video for them, which created 100 questions from them. But I want to play this video for you and let you know that reruns are available on aeroexpress.com anytime you'd like to see them. Just click on the TR36 and click on video, and you can view the video.
We continually strive to bring innovative solutions to meet our customers' needs. So we are pleased to help Tel-Instruments announce a new product, the TR36 Navcom test set.
The Tel-Instruments TR36 Navcom test set is the newest member of TIC's family of avionics ramp testers. It's based on the circuit design of the proven USM 708 craft test set used by the U.S. Navy, which has shown itself to be highly reliable when used in challenging military environments. Its all-digital design has proven to accurately generate and measure complex avionics RF signals, and its long-term calibration stability has been excellent. For operators who require a cost-effective, rugged, reliable, and easy-to-use Navcom ramp tester, the TR36 is the perfect choice. The unit tests VOR, ILS localizer and glide slope, marker beacon, UHF and VHF comm transceivers, cell cal functions, and all current 406 MHz EPIRBs and PLBs. It can also perform VISWAR tests on aircraft RF cabling and antenna installations. Additionally, the unit includes new modes for complete end-to-end system testing of comm transceivers, including the measurement of comm audio output and signal plus noise to noise ratio. The TR36 is shipped in a rugged plastic Pelican case that protects it during shipment and storage. It is then easily removed for portable use in the cockpit, in the hangar, or on the flight line. At 8 pounds, it's light and easy to use. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery that provides up to 8 hours of normal duty testing. The large color LCD display is easy to read in the hangar or cockpit, and the unit has a special display mode for use in bright direct sunlight, as well as a mode for low power night vision preservation. For typical over-the-air testing, the operator attaches the whip antenna and adjusts it to the proper length according to the type of unit being tested. Avionics units can also be directly connected to the TR36 using the Direct Connect RF port. The TR36 is ideally suited to perform the annual ELT operational checks required by FAR 91.207. It is also the ideal test set to quickly test and troubleshoot on-aircraft operation of VOR and ILS systems, including coupled autopilot operation. New ILS indicator graphics on the test set make it easy for the operator to confirm that the cockpit indicator is correctly showing the proper localizer and glide slope deviations. The TR36 is indispensable in troubleshooting VHF or UHF communication radio problems on the aircraft. It can transmit precisely modulated tones at all frequencies in these bands to test aircraft radio receive functions, as well as accurately measure frequency and power from the aircraft radio's transmitter. Headset and aircraft microphone jacks allow an operator to use the TR36 as a transceiver to listen to the aircraft's transmission and to transmit voice as well. For more information on how the TR36 can reliably simplify your avionics testing needs, contact Tel-Instruments or one of our worldwide distribution partners.
Stop by the Aero Express booth number 616 to demo the TR-36, now available for sale or rental from Aero Express, solving test equipment puzzles for over 20 years.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 59th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Orlando, Florida, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Imagine avionics. Avionics that make your life simpler rather than more complicated. Imagine that when things go wrong, your avionics not only detects bad information, but corrects it automatically. That's the avionics system Avilution is creating, so you won't have to imagine it much longer.
There's a difference between charting a steady course and pushing for the ceiling. And for nearly a century, Hartzell Propellor has been defining that difference. It's in our passion for engineering and research and our dedication to testing the limits of performance. We are built on honor. We are Hartzell Propellor.